Hello, doers. Welcome back to our channel, Devintelle. Today we will see how to send mail from the repair order. You can see here our module, Dev Repair Mass Mail. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to repairs. Select multiple orders, go to action and see here this menu, Repair Mass Mail. Click on. Write here your description. Related to your mail and click on this send button. Now go to settings and emails. See here this. Write here description related to your email. I selected total 3 order. Click on open document and see here this our selected order. Thank you.